What is the best bread? Did it need to be a perfect shape? Most of the time, I love exploring recipes I've never tried.
What I love about Italian food is simple, but it satisfies. This bread is made from just flour, water, yeast, and salt, but together, it's everything.
Ciabatta isn't shaped too much. You don't press it or shape it again and again. You just let it be. And that's how the bread finds its form. Let's get started. Add yeast to warm water and wait until it forms. Mix in the flour and salt with the yeast water. The dough will be sticky. That's good. Let the dough rest for 1 hour at room temperature. Stretch and fold the dough 3 times every 30 minutes. Refrigerate overnight for 8 to 24 hours. Optional, but highly recommended for better flavor and elasticity. If you're short on time, let it rest at room temperature for 1 more hour after folding. After refrigerating, let the dough rest at room temperature for 30 minutes. Gently shape and cut into pieces. Avoid pressing out air. Optional. Preheat the oven with a tray of water for steam. It helps the crust. But honestly, I skipped it. And they still turned out great. Let them rest on parchment paper for 40 minutes, so they rise a bit more. Bake at 220 to 230 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. Tap the bottom. If it sounds hollow, it's done. Cool completely before cutting. Oh, that's nice. Crispy outside, airy inside. Kind of magic. Some things turn out best when you don't overthink them. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Enjoy your meal.